Hey everybody, this is Kevin with the Turn 1 Soul Ring podcast. In this video, I'm going to be opening up 5 Commander Legends booster packs. Going a little lower with the number this time because they are 20 card packs. Starting off the first pack with a Sailor of Means, Soul's Might, Boarding Party, Deranged Assistant, Universal Solvent, Defiant Salvager, Azure Fleet Admiral, Angel of the Dawn, Sentinel Spider, Foundry Inspector, Phyrexian Rager, Command Tower, Spectral Searchlight, Vow of Wilderness, Humble Defector, Merchant Raiders, Laboratory Drudge is our first rare, and we have a Moti Celebrant of Bounty, and Arden Intrepid Archaeologist, and a foil Path of Ancestry. Well, this is going right into Sliver Overlord. And a treasure token. It's still kind of weird to pull Command Tower out of a pack, I must say. In terms of what I want to pull out, Mana Drain would be nice. Boy, these packs are tight. Vampire Tutor, a nice Jeweled Lotus perhaps. I'm not sure where I would put that. Prying Eyes, Dispeller's Capsule, Ivy Lane Denizen, Renegade Tactics, Strategic Planning, Spark Harvest, Ambush Viper, Marble Diamond, Thorn of the Black Rose, Court Street Denizen, Vertilid, Staunch Throne Guard, Opal Palace, Skilled Animator, Open the Armory, Meteor Golem, Dawnglade Regent is our first rare in this pack. Is it going to be multiple rares? Radiant Sarah Archangel, and another rare, Obeka Brute Chronologist, and a foil Hull Breacher. Woo! That is a good pull, I've got to say. This is a pricey card right now. And a soldier token. Whew, that feels good. Well, so far so good with this set, I gotta say. Pack 3 here, so put us about halfway through this video. Okay. I think opening from the bottom works well. Dispeller's Capsule, Corpse Churn, Renegade Tactics, Scholar of Stars, Lifecrafter's Gift, Ambush Viper, another Marble Diamond, Bitter Revelation, Palace Sentinels, Farhaven Elf, Eyeblight Massacre, Prophetic Prism, Staunch Throne Guard, Vow of Duty, Victimize, Armorcraft Judge. First rare is Phyrexian Triniform, or that's a mythic, rather. Very cool. Togo, Goblin Weaponsmith. Gotta get those rocks. Tuya Bearclaw, and a foil Stone Fury. The foils look a little dusty or something. They don't look quite right. And a treasure token. Little dusty. Alright, pack 4 here. We just wrapped up our Commander Legends set review. We have a 3-parter, so if you're interested in that, you can watch it on YouTube, as well as on all the major podcast platforms. It's Turn 1 Soul Ring, the podcast. Starting off this pack with Welding Sparks, Kite Sail Skirmisher, Armory of Aroas, Ripscale Predator, Strategic Planning, Spark Harvest, Ancestral Blade, Vertilid, Charcoal Diamond, such a great reprint, that whole cycle, Viscera Seer, Soulfire, Opal Palace, Pirate's Cutlass, Ingenuity Engine, Explosion of Riches, Guildless Commons. Oh, and a Command Beacon, another great reprint. Alina Kessig Trapper and Slurk All Ingesting, and a foil Crushing Vines. Yeah, these look dusty. Just a little washed out or something. And a Monarch token. That is proper grammar. All right, everybody. Last pack here. Let me know if you enjoy this shorter kind of video, if you prefer longer product opening videos. Starting off this last pack here with Molder Beast, Goblin Trailblazer, Preordain, fantastic, Blade Brand, Crimson Fleet Commodore, Ancient Animus, Supernatural Stamina, Fire Diamond, Squad Captain, Wildheart Invoker, Elvish Doomsayer, Lumengrid Gargoyle, Armillary Sphere, Orzhov Advocist, Noxious Dragon, Sifter Worm, Flamekin Herald, are rare. Ooh, then we have Rogak, Son of Roga, and a Galanra, Collar of Wirewood, and we have a foil Welding Sparks and a Monarch token. So I think it's safe to say the foil Hull Breacher is by far the best pull in this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and remember that we release a new episode of the podcast every Monday on all major podcast platforms and YouTube, so you can check that out if you're interested. Thank you so much. Bye now.